Good morning, dear children. How are you all? I hope you all must be keeping yourself safe. And although the times are very trying and challenging, we are supposed to take care of ourselves and not lose courage and hope. This COVID 19 situation is becoming worse and worse day by day. I hope you all are updated with the news, and at the same time you all are taking good care of yourselves and your families. Now, at the same time, this is the very crucial moment or time when we are supposed to take care of our studies also. So, dear children, all those who have not watched or missed some of the videos, please keep up yourselves updated with the syllabus. Now, just last week we had sent you the revised syllabus. You can go through that, and whatever be the next information, we will be sending it to you. So, in this video, I am going to take up the poem that is The Voice of the Rain by Walt Whitman. Walt Whitman was an American poet, essayist, and a journalist. He was one of the most influential poets of America. And Walt Whitman was a part of the transition between the transcendentalism and realism. Now, what is this transcendentalism? Transcendentalism is all about, it is a school of philosophy which explicitly explains the self-reliance of human beings and respect for nature. Walt Whitman believed that there was a symbiotic relationship between man, society, and nature. And therefore, in this poem, the title itself suggests you that he is talking about the rain. Now, rain, you can imagine that when we have rains, this month we are having rains, it's a rainy season, and we enjoy the rain. But have we ever thought of the purpose of the rain? We do know about the scientific method or the cyclic movement of the rain, as we have read it in the science subject, maybe in your junior classes. You must have read about the cyclic movement of rain. Yes, I think you all remember it. From where does it arise? Where does it go? And how does it, how do the clouds form? And how do the rains pour? But how this cyclic movement of rain, which has been explained scientifically, has been put into a poetic form, let us try to understand that and enjoy how the poet relates himself, his poetry, and rain. So, The Voice of the Rain is a poem about the rain, and it is personified. That is, the poet has personified rain, telling that rain describes itself. It describes its birthplace. It describes how and for what purpose it rains or pours down on earth. How is it a welcome thing for human beings and all the living things and non-living things on this earth? So, shortly you will be watching the explanation of the poem and the central idea of the poem. So, we'll continue